Hello! Many people wonder how to make money with cryptocurrency from scratch, especially when the market is down and the volatility isn't too high, making it tough even for traders. In this video, I will show you the main ways to earn money that work not only when the market is down, but also at any time. The first method is airdrops. A cryptocurrency airdrop is a marketing strategy used to promote crypto projects and new tokens of various cryptocurrency startups. It involves the free distribution of native cryptocurrency to current or potential users. Sometimes users need to perform simple actions like subscribing to the project's social media account and reposting its publications to receive the reward. There are different types of airdrops, and each crypto project has its own requirements. However, most airdrops aim to spread information about the project and generate interest. Some airdrops are directly executed in users' wallets, while others need to be claimed manually. Anyone with a cryptocurrency wallet can participate in an airdrop, but be cautious of scammers. There are numerous fraudulent airdrops that can steal funds from your wallet when requesting or transferring free tokens. Before applying for an airdrop, make sure to verify the reliability of the chosen project. Exercise extra caution if it requires connecting your wallet to the airdrop website. You can find more information online, for example, in the Binance Academy, so I won't prolong the video. The second method is mining. Mining is one of the most common and reliable ways to earn cryptocurrency. Miners use specialized farms equipped with mining power, ranging from 1 to tens of thousands of processors and graphics cards, to compute special blocks that grant them a certain amount of virtual coins. Miners have the right to choose which coin they want to mine. If you have a reasonably powerful computer, you can try earning cryptocurrency with it. No investments are required, but the profits won't be significant. You can find more detailed information about mining online, or let me know in the comments if you want me to release a separate video about this or any other earning method. The third method is arbitrage. If you have managed to earn your first contribution through a good computer or airdrops, you can use it for cryptocurrency arbitrage. Arbitrage is a method of making money in the crypto industry by taking advantage of price differences between different assets. Typically, it involves trading the same cryptocurrencies on different platforms at different prices. Traders buy an asset on one exchange and sell it at a higher price on another. If the amounts are small, there may be no tax implications. However, if the profits reach higher figures, according to the legislation of your country, you will need to legalize the income. The fourth method is staking. This is not exactly a method without investments. If you want not only to start investing, but also to multiply the number of coins you would invest in, there is staking. Simply put, it's like a deposit. But it's not that simple. The higher the staking percentage you want, the fewer coins you can deposit. There are also unstaked options, but the returns are not as high. Staking can be fixed or flexible. Flexible staking allows you to withdraw your coins at any time. Fixed staking means you lock in the amount and can only withdraw it after a certain period. Therefore, now is an excellent time for investments as the market is in a bearish phase. For example, let's say you stake Bitcoin at a price of $25,000 for the same amount with a 10% return per year. So you have 1 Bitcoin staked for a year. After a year, the price of Bitcoin is $50,000, and you now have 1.1 Bitcoins. This means you have not only gained from the investment in Bitcoin itself, but also from staking. In this case, you would have $55,000. Your investment, thanks to staking, yielded a plus 120% return instead of just plus 100% in the value. Even though you invested the same amount that someone would invest in Bitcoin alone without staking. Staking can be a profitable way to earn additional cryptocurrency while holding your investment. Keep in mind that returns and conditions may vary depending on the specific cryptocurrency and platform used for staking. Please note that investing in cryptocurrency involves risks, and it's important to do thorough research and understand the potential risks before engaging in any investment strategy. Thanks for watching the video. If you want us to record separate videos for you about each of the ways to invest or earn money, write in the comments. We wish you a successful investment.